cold start of a 95 Range Rover Classic. She's been here a little while. Yeah, it's pretty cold out. It's pretty freaking cold out. It's been about a week. We got 11 volts, 1000 cold cranking amp battery. Woo! It is cold out. It's like freaking 0 out right now. It's fucking cold. At 14 volts, she's running hot. We're getting there. It's so cold, it's fucking up all the gauges. Oil pressure's still a little low. Oil temperature's maxed out, that's not right. Water temperature's not gonna move for the longest time. And she is moaning.